Hello, my name is Nandin, and I want to record this video to explain to you how the bulk update app works. So we have this bulk update product information. The purpose is for us to be able to quickly update the information that is for each SKU. For example, the information that's available, for example, cost of goods, and then the product group, SL product group, and then short names, and then other information that we may add later as well. But the idea is that there's a template here. We used to do it the old way where you can download the template into an Excel file, edit it, and then save it and upload it. But we wanted to make this even faster, so where you don't even have to download a file. What you do is you just use this template, copy to clipboard, and you go to, let me clear here, go to either Microsoft Excel or a Google Sheets, and then you paste it in there. And then let's say you want to change the cost of this SKU. Let's say we change it to 507. And then if you want to change the product group or even the short name is used on some section, but for this purpose, we're going to demonstrate the product group. So we're going to do test group 1. And then we're going to do Control A to select all, or you can just click this button, and then Control C for copying. Let me make copy, so some of you may not know Control C. So to copy that data, and then you paste it into this section here, and then all you have to do is make sure the SKUs and everything is copied properly. You hit update, and then you go over here. As you can see, the data get re-uploaded 507, and the group is test group. So for example, if you go to a app like the group details, I have to reload because this is old data. But let me wait while it's load. Okay, the app loaded here, and you go to group details, and as you can see, the group test group 1 is there, and I search for it, and that SKU is there. So that is a way for you to create your group custom grouping quickly with this SL product group. And so you can also create your own custom grouping. Okay, since the SL product group is just one text field, like if you want to do multiple tagging system for a list of SKUs, for example, if this SKU you want to tag to group 1 and group 2 and group 3 and like that. So if you want to do a multi-tagging system, currently we don't support it, but you can implement your own like this. So this is how I would do it. So for example, you have test group 1. And then this is test group 2. It's like that. And then let's just say you want to group these. Test group C. As you can see, there's some overlap there. So I'm going to create some overlap here so that you can see how it works. So what you do is, as you can see, you can tag these as group 1, that is group 2, group 3, and group 4, and so on and so forth. So you put a filter on it. Well, actually, no, you don't even need to put a filter. So you have a list of SKUs and then the tags here. Then when you paste out the template here, what you do is you do an XLOOKUP. You may need to use ChatGPT to explain to you what XLOOKUP is, but basically it looks up this value. So if I want to look up this value, and then the lookup array is all these here. So I'm going to select that. And then if the return array, what do I return? So I want to return, let's say if I'm doing test group 1, then I only want to return the test group 1 here. So I only did 79 rows here just for demonstration purposes, but you can have your whole catalog there. And if it's not found, that is an optional, so I'm going to close that. So if it's not found, then all right, I'm gonna have to look into this real quick. Okay, I think I found what the error is. I was selecting to search in this whole section rather than just the column A with just the SKU. So I'm going to change this back to A79. And there you go. That's how. And then I'm going to copy this formula down. So it returns a 0 if it's not found, so I'm going to make it blank. So if something's not found, instead of returning 0, I'm going to return blanks. Don't why is not returning blank? But anyways, you get the idea. Basically, it returns the blank 0 there when it can't find it, because over here it is considered that 0. But anyways, and then so you just take this data. I'm going to select just the whole thing and then paste it back into the data here. Let's see if that works. And as you can see, the test group updated, and when it couldn't find it, it changed to 0. So I'm going to go to group details to see it, reload it, see if it works. As you can see, your test group works. So that's how we found we created the groupings and changed it quickly with the bulk update information. So that's the idea of the bulk update information, is to be able to change your cost of goods, your product group, and other fields quickly, and it provides a great template for being able to do that very quickly. I hope this video helps you with that.